Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can extend the duration of your videos in CapCut PC. There are two ways to do it. You can either select your video here and you can make it slow motion. You can make it like slower to, I guess, extend the duration. So go to speed here and you're just going to adjust the times and make it slower. Select smooth slow motion and select the optical flow one. It does take longer depending on the duration of your video, of course. So that's a way to like extend the duration. For instance, it's just like a black background here and you want to extend the duration here and it's a video and it's only like one color. So what you can do is you can just freeze frame the video and it kind of makes it just like a picture, so you can extend the duration however like long you want it to be. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!